Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a new project, a very interesting project. Trade Farm Network is a licensed brokerage platform and an international pharma-centric marketplace of choice for buyers, sellers performing routine transactions of medicine. Their artificial intelligence-driven platform uses powerful all algorithmics to enable efficient search, digital matchmaking between our stakeholders, but also blockchain, as we envision a future where every physical medicine has a digital history, allowing our users to trace and verify its origins, attributes, and ownership to fight efficiently against counterfeit medicines in Europe worldwide. They are also providing a full suite of services that facilitate information exchange, communication, and transaction between pharma and healthcare institutions. Trade Farm Network platform and an international pharma-centric marketplace of choice for buyers, sellers performing routine transactions of medicines. And first of all, it is smart, intelligent network. Of course, you can see here more information about this project. Drug wholesales, distributors, drug importers, distributors, hospital dispensing, pharmacies, business partners, non-profits, drug makers. You can see here also information about token sale. Now we can do this. Issue price one token $0.07.